Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll reveal how to integrate IPTV on Plex easily. First, explore 2TV.store for top IPTV service. Contact Nancy, their amazing support, via the link below. So, what's IPTV? It's a modern way to stream live television using internet connections rather than traditional cable. We'll explore how it enhances your Plex experience effortlessly. Before setting up, ensure you have a Plex account. Quick tip: log into Plex and navigate to the settings. This step is vital for seamless integration. Now, let's add IPTV channels. Using a playlist URL, paste it into Plex's IPTV plugin. This brings your live TV experience to life within the Plex interface. Troubleshooting step: if channels don't appear, check your internet connection and playlist URL accuracy often. Refreshing your Plex library resolves issues swiftly. Congratulations! You've successfully added IPTV to Plex. Enjoy diverse channels and an enhanced viewing venture. Subscribe for more tech tips and enrich your entertainment world.